Today, I'll teach you how to use the tessellation pattern making technique to create pattern art. Feel free to pause the video as you create. This technique is suitable for ages 8 and up, and it's perfect for beginners. If you'd like to know more about the history and artists of tessellation, go ahead and Google m.c.echer. All right, no more art history, let's get started. First, prepare a square piece of thicker paper. Think about what to draw. If you're unsure, follow along with me first. Once you understand the technique, you can decide what you want to draw. In my drawing, I sketched a flower and a leaf on the left and bottom sides. Draw your design on only 2 adjacent sides of the square, but just halfway. Do not draw on the opposite sides. Cut them out. If this doesn't make sense yet, scroll to the part where I paste the sides and you'll understand why. Paste them on the top using a ruler to ensure accurate horizontal and vertical alignment. Tape them down on both sides. This will be your template for drawing. Do the same for the other cutout. Use a ruler to place them. Make sure both sides are secure with tape. Get a larger piece of paper and trace the template. You'll see how they match seamlessly, which is the essence of pattern making. Trace it slowly so each side matches. Fill in the missing lines and add in the details of your object. And this is my completed pencil drawing using the tessellation template. Finally, in the time lapse, I'll show you how I color it. Use any tools you like. Mixing them can make the colors more vibrant. I added all pastels and color pencils on top of my Chinese ink. It's finally done. Thank you for learning.